Watch closely now.
I see one. Mama,
Is this right?
Today, my little ones, I'll teach you how to fish. But first, patience.
I can catch a big one.
Fish move with the flow. Watch them, feel the rhythm of the river before you strike.
Both of you are learning. The river tests not your paws, but your patience.
I can do it. Mama, is this right? Watch closely now.
I see one.
See? Quiet heart, steady paw.
Quiet heart, steady paw.
Watch closely now.
I see one.
Let's wait and see.
I did it, Mama.
Well done, my brave one. Let'll wait and see. Luna did it. You see, patience brings reward.
Now we share what we've caught.
Fishing is not just about catching, it is about listening.
The river rewards calm paws. The river rewards calm paws.
I see one.
Mama, is this right?